how to use Chick-fil-A gift card on Uber Eats. Normally, if you wanted to use a certain gift card, you would open up their Uber Eats app, go to the account tab from the bottom right, then tap on the wallet option from here, and from payment method you would go to add payment method option, and from there you'll find the option called gift card, and just enter the gift card and then just tap on the save option from here in order to save it. But actually, as of December 2023, Uber Eats doesn't accept restaurant gift card or third-party stores, which also includes Chick-fil-A gift cards, right? And the only way to use a restaurant gift card for takeout is through curbside pickup, which may not be available at all restaurants. And Chick-fil-A gift cards can be used at participating restaurants in the US or Canada, depending on where the card was purchased, and e-gift card can only be used at US locations. So I hope this video helped to clarify the question. Unfortunately, Uber Eats does not allow you to use third-party gift cards or third-party stores gift cards specifically. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.